Hello friends, I have done a project which is based on MySQL and PHP. I am starting with an intro page. As you can see that the text welcome to .project is changing its color randomly, which makes it so pretty. On the background a video is playing in a loop. I have blurred this background video. As you can see, there is a start button which will start my simple project by clicking it. Now you will come to my main page or index page. Here there are different buttons and table. I will define everything here. First you can see a input box and a submit button. Next you can see a big table which is filled with different values. There contain five variables. One is date, invest, quantity and profit. Now I will give some random values in input and submit it. It shows the data stored in the database successfully. It means it successfully submitted our data to our data table. Here you do not need to fill the ID, it will take the ID automatically. But if you want to fill the ID, you can give an ID and remember that the ID should be unique. Otherwise it will fail to add the data in our table. Next, here is a view chart button which will help you to visualize the data. Here you can see a bar diagram shown to us which compare the invest and sell data for different date. Here you can see a next button. Now we came to our next page which display a line chart for profit for different dates. Here there are two options. One is go back, another one is home button. Go back button helps you to go back to our previous chart and home button helps you to go back to our index page or main page. In this table you have remove and edit option. Remove option helps you to remove the data from the table. Edit option helps you to edit your previous data you have given. When you click on edit option, will take to you into update page. Here you can change your previous data and click on update button. Here you can see the data has been updated. Next you have an analysis button which will help you to do simple analysis on your data set. Let's see. Here you can see average, minimum value, maximum value for sale, invest and profit. Let's go back to our main page and next you can see a search button. This page will help you to find any dataset you have to given and now you want to find that dataset from this table. If you know any of them input, you can fill it and click on search button. Here you can see the data what you are searching for. Now let's go back to our home page. Next you have a red unlock button or a green lock button which will help you to lock and unblock this operation. This is for those who are afraid that their data is deleted for any reason. You can say this data is for security purpose. This is my project. Hope you like this project. If you have any suggestion, you can comment